thank you a lot. And to celebrate, I'm making a Play-Dough play button out of blue Play-Dough, as you can see, and yellow Play-Dough, as you can see. So, I'm going to record myself making it, so you actually know how to make it. You'll probably already know how to make it. You just make the mold and then, yeah. Okay, sorry guys. So, let's make the mold. Just like smush it down, maybe. Smush it down, smush it down. Okay, now let's shape it into the square. Okay, almost done. Almost. Play button is born! Doesn't it look cool? Like, it looks so cool! So, as I said, the base is blue, as you can see, and the triangle is yellow, as you can see, and as I said. And this is the finished project. I don't know why I did this. I just thought it'd be cool to do. And yeah, this is it. It's dirty. And yeah, this is really cool. And hope I can make some other ones if you guys get me more subscribers. I would make more custom play buttons just like this one. So, hope you subscribe to Willio Gold, and bye.